So this is your second image, right? Now come to the third one. Third one is here. Now object is at C. Whenever you are drawing this image, beta, you have to be extra careful, because small mistake, if your pencil is not sharp, or your points P, F and C are not exact one, and your rays are, if parallel ray you're drawing, it's not slightly not parallel, or the ray is not exactly passing through F or C, small mistake by you, okay, will change the position of image. So you have to be extra careful for this. So what I'm doing now, object is at C, at center of curvature. You can see the third case in your book. At C. See, here I'm making at C. And two rays you have to make, one parallel to principal axis, and see that it should be exactly parallel. Small mistake, and then even I also can commit if I'm not careful. Right, then it passes through F. Passes through F. Passes through F after reflection. Passes through F. And another ray I am making, which is passing through F now. Rays, see, I commit a mistake. If I will show you, and you will see the difference. See, F is here, I passed it just above it. Small mistake. And even this ray which I made is slightly less parallel. Don't commit this. And second ray passes through F. Passes through F. First ray parallel, and after reflection passes through F. Second ray I am making from the object. It is exactly passing through F. Right? It is passing through F first, then becomes parallel. See, small mistake on my part, and the position is different. I will make it again, because this is the problem with this. I am not saying rules are wrong. No, rules are correct. Problem is we are committing small manual errors. I have already told you my ray is not parallel. Right? This is very important for you, very important, otherwise your position will be wrong, right? So let us make again ray. This is F, this is position of C. Even C is also not, that was not at proper place. I will make it again. Now I'll see it is there at proper place. Now this is object, and I'm just completing this with the help of compass. I can complete this again, right? Now again I will try to make exactly parallel ray. Exactly parallel ray. See, I'm just trying. Still I can commit some mistakes. That is possible, always possible. Parallel ray, and after reflection passes through C. After reflection it passes through C. So passes through C. Then a ray passes through F. Right? Ray is passing through F. Passes through F. And after reflection becomes parallel to principal axis. See, again mistake is coming. Problem is this: the ray will be meeting here and the image will be here, right? And that means some problem is there. See, that's why I have written you have to be extra careful. But you try 2-3 times with the sharp pencil. I'm sure you will be able to make it, right? See, I am purposely committing mistakes here. Why I am doing? So that you can understand. You must know if mistake is there and what we have to do, right? For that you must know this position when the object is at C. So now I'll show you how you have to make. I'm not saying the rules are wrong, rules are perfect. It is we who are committing manual errors. Maybe while I was making this mirror, the distance was not properly taken. Many reasons are possible. Now what is the, how we can manage this diagram then? So make the object here and below the object, okay, if object is the 1.9 centimeter, then image also you make just below the object and it should be 1.9 centimeter. This will be image. Image is formed exactly below the object, right? Then this parallel ray you have already made, parallel ray is there. Then join it, pass it through F. If not passing is okay, but you make the ray joining the head of the image. So F will shift little bit. This is possible. But first try yourself many times. Most of the students are able to make it. Then take another ray, which is first of all this parallel ray you make and join these 2 points, head and the mirror. See, now they are meeting at the same point, and if you check it carefully, position of object is this and image is this, and they are on one another, just images below the object, right? First follow the rules. 2 rules. One ray parallel to principal axis, after reflection passes through F. Second, passes through F, after reflection becomes parallel. Try to make it. But if sometimes it happens, see, that is why I purposely made some rays not parallel, slightly not parallel. I created this situation so that you can understand this extra careful point on my part, right? So you have to be extra careful here while making this image. Take your pencils, which should be very, very sharp. If not sharp, then again problem will arise, right? Now what are the characteristics of this image? What are the characteristics? Actually rays are meeting real and inverted, and size of object and image will be same. Size of image is same as that of object, and position it is formed at C, center of curvature. Now come to the next case. In the next case, if you see carefully, what is the position in your book? It is 4th case. Object is between C and F. C means focus, C means center of curvature, F means focus. So object is between C and F, and you make the object exactly between C and F, not here and there, exactly between C and F. Then draw one ray parallel to principal axis. A ray which is parallel to principal axis, after reflection passes through F. You know that. Passes through F. Okay, then draw another ray which passes through F. Ray should first pass through F. Okay, passing through F. And after reflection it becomes a parallel. Parallel. And then from that point draw perpendicular, where the reflected ray, this is reflected ray, this is reflected ray, wherever these reflected rays are meeting, from that point draw perpendicular on the principal axis, and see, this will be your image and that is object, right? And if you are taking this this object should be slightly bigger, then clarity will be slightly more, right? And you see, actually rays are meeting in this case also, so real and inverted image is formed. When rays are actually meeting, real and inverted. Size larger than object. See, object, when you make yourself, you can easily see. object is smaller, image is bigger. So larger than object, size of the image is larger than object, and is formed beyond C. Beyond C, this is C, it is formed after C on the left side. So we call it beyond C. So these are characteristics of image. Now come to the last case.